Let us see how to draw the schematic of CMOS OR gate. Let us draw the symbol of OR gate first. This is the symbol of OR gate which contains two inputs A and B. Output is Y. Now let us write the Boolean expression for it, which is Y is equal to A plus B. Now for this particular Boolean expression, we have to draw the CMOS schematic. Here if you observe, whole bar is not present, so try to apply De Morgan's law. I'll place 2 bars on Y, similarly on A plus B also, so that I can cancel out this one. Y is equal to, so here first and second 2 bars are there. I'll place the first bar as it is. Next I'll apply De Morgan's. So we know that the two De Morgan's laws are A plus B whole bar can be written as A bar dot B bar. Next one is A dot B whole bar can be written as A bar plus B bar. Now if you observe here, the second bar and A plus B is in the form of A plus B whole bar. So A plus B whole bar can be written as A bar dot B bar. So this is the correct Boolean expression to draw the CMOS schematic. Now let us draw the schematic for this particular Boolean expression, which is Y is equal to A bar dot B bar whole bar. So the first rule is whole bar is present. Next, two variables are there under this bar which are connected by means of dot. We know that dot means series, plus means parallel, and this rule is applicable for NMOS, which is present in pull down network. So A bar dot B bar, they are connected by means of dot, so connect them in series in pull down network. So first let me draw the demarcation line which is used to separate pull up network and pull down network. So dot, so connect them in series. First input is A bar, next one is B bar. This part should be connected to ground. If NMOS they are connected in series, for PMOS it should be connected in parallel. So take two PMOSs and connect them in parallel. Input is A bar, for this it is B bar. At this point we need to apply supply voltage. Join these 2 points, and at this common point I'll get output which is Y. Now let me write source, drain and gate. So this is source, gate, drain. This one is source, gate, drain. For PMOS this is source, these two are drains, and leftover terminal is gate. Arrow mark will be something like this for NMOS, and for PMOS it will look something like this. This is our final schematic for CMOS OR gate.